Greetings, seekers of inner resilience. In today's voyage of self-discovery, we delve into Stoic approaches to dealing with betrayal and trust issues. As we traverse the rocky terrain of human relationships, we shall harness the wisdom of Stoic philosophy to mend wounds, rebuild trust, and emerge stronger. Betrayal, a wound that echoes through time, challenges the very foundations of trust. Yet, the Stoic way guides us toward healing. Stoicism teaches us that the world is transient, and people are fallible. In recognizing this, we begin our journey of healing. Epictetus, a Stoic sage, exemplified the strength of the human spirit in the face of adversity. Pause and reflect on a past betrayal. Contemplate the impermanence of this event in the grand tapestry of your life. Stoicism empowers us to transmute pain into wisdom, extracting lessons from our tribulations. Seneca, a philosopher-statesman, transformed his own suffering into timeless wisdom. Take a moment to journal about a past betrayal. Explore the insights you've gained from that experience. The Stoic mind is a fortress of rationality, allowing us to make deliberate choices in the face of adversity. The philosopher-emperor, Marcus Aurelius, showcases the power of rational decision-making amidst challenges. Consider a recent trust issue. Reflect on how a rational perspective might alter your response. Virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance illuminates our path to restoring trust. Cato the Younger, a paragon of Stoic virtue, exemplifies the pursuit of honor even in the face of betrayal. Assess your reactions through the lens of Stoic virtue. How might virtue guide your actions? As we conclude our journey through Stoic approaches to dealing with betrayal and trust issues, remember that the Stoic path is one of resilience and transformation. We stand as architects of our own character, forging anew the bonds of trust. If this voyage resonates with you, be a part of our Stoic community. Like this video and subscribe to Stoic Sage Musings. Share your thoughts on trust and betrayal in the comments, for your insights enrich our collective learning. Together, let us navigate the tumultuous waters of human connection with Stoic wisdom.